Hey folks, hello again. I am actually streaming from the airport right now. Can you believe it? We don't need much for streaming, honestly. I mean, yeah, it's good to have a mic, but I don't know how good or bad AirPods are. I'm just gonna do this quick airport stream and see if I sound okay or not quickly on YouTube. If I do, I'm gonna proceed right now. Just a second. Let me go to the channel. Go to live. It should say I'm live right now. I am. We're good. I am. I am live. Yeah, I'm live. The ecosystem works. So. All right. So I think let's continue. So this is huge. I think a little smaller lead. Okay. All right. So we were able to do this test, this chatbot thing, right? Okay. Now today you can say, hey, tell me about Java, right? Whatever. And it should be able to respond. I don't know why it is taking time. It should not take time. It's a local model. All this stuff. I don't know why I put a hashtag there, but I have no idea what's happening here. Okay, fine. It has some crap. This is cool. Let's quickly see what our model has done. Okay, the keyboard is not really not good enough. But okay. Let's have the app. Let's see. I'm at an airport, of course. I'm like, no Starbucks. The challenge with this is you don't really know if how hard it is. So it's interesting. All right. So again, this font is gigantic, dude. I don't know how. This font is too big, dude. This is too small for the screen, I think. A little more. Yeah. It's okay to have a big font and a big monitor. Having that on a tiny screen is just too much. Cool. So I have utago. It's just compiling. Let's see what it stands for as. Where is utago, buddy? Oh, by the way, I need some music. We do have some music, really. Why can't I hear it?
Where everything goes wrong at once.
Okay, I'm not gonna increase that much because like when I played on the phone, I could hear it and maybe we can change the song. Maybe oh my volume is less. That's really loud. As near as possible. This is okay. This is still a little high, I think. Let me reduce it because I should be able to hear myself. All right. I hope this is okay. No, it's still distracting. I can kind of make out now. This is fine. All right. Cool. So, our app did compile, but where it go? Oh, there was an error. Okay. Cool. So we have this guy. Let's go to the array. What's the issue? Show me the issue. Dude, it's very weird, dude. Without my key grant, doing it on this is not easy. Okay, so we have some improper configured. Config terminal is there. Why is it not working with the app? Common create is the same. That's interesting. Okay, I'm gonna do one thing. I'm gonna just hardcode the path for now. I don't know if that matters, but this is stupid, I know. But yeah, I'm gonna sure it compiles and then it goes off. Look at the UI. Okay, we have some UI. Hi, it's probably hard coded. Yeah, so I need to figure the crash and order. I need to stop the expect. I need to have a default. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to conf address and it's slightly serialized, right? I do have this expect. I'm gonna remove that and instead I'm gonna do unwrap or I'm just gonna do settings dot default. Derive default, but I think the values are gonna be wrong then. It's natural, right? Yeah. So I'm just gonna do this so that it stops doing that, right? Yeah. Family next to me is just causing some noise here. I'm pretty sure I'm not audible, but I can't be louder than this too because I'm in public. So it's amazing how capable a Mac can be though for this. Okay, what's up now? Okay, this screen is too small for this. Let's stop the. Let's wait here. Let's go to the app and let's do DX stuff. Okay. So we already have some issues. Yeah, default is not there on the settings. Yeah, yeah, that's easy. That's easy. I just need to add default on these guys. But it's not gonna work. That's my. At least it won't crash. At least I should be able to see the UI. And if I don't do a system prompt, honestly, the system prompt is not really adding any value here. The model is just dumb as hell. So let's see. If I just do this, what does it do? It says thinking and all that kind of crap. I haven't seen the. Okay then. Something, dude. This is something. Tell me about Vader. Okay, enter should work, dude. All right, all right, all right. We have stuff here. Dude, give me lyrics for I Want It That Way. Did I just read some sort of a Christian inspiration kind of thing? Dude, please stop. Hey, dude. I mean, it's pretty cool. I mean, how does it look on the phone? Take up the whole space? Okay, pretty good. It is responsive. Hey, bear in mind, this model is like part of the app here. Is it just gonna work, buddy? I doubt it, dude. Is it really just gonna work? That's pretty cool. Okay, I'm gonna give some chance. The way it's thinking is weird. Dude. This model is not doing any sort of repetitive question and mixer thing. I probably program that in. But yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, we have some token sampling error at this point. By the way, what kind of idle connection? What is this? What CDNI? What? Maybe one of these images are not generated FPGs instead. Eh. So anyways, we had a chatbot right here, which is basically working. I'm gonna stop this. I'm gonna do a DX build. Release. Right. I think that's how it's supposed to go. Yeah. This can create like a Mac app. I'm gonna install. Let's see if the inference works in that. So if it does, dude. It's crazy. Okay. Meanwhile, oh, sorry. Let me just mute myself. Can I do that? Can I mute myself in time? Hey, really? What was that? What is the device not connected? Are you telling me it's not audible all this time? But I'm just experimenting with crazy on these streams. Doing from an airport is just too much. And since when is this airport not sounding good? Alright, we can do this. This thing is still compiling. Let me figure out if I have export. But before that, how much space do I have? Because I've heard like horrible things about export. I don't really have an Android phone, so what am I talking about? If it has much. Okay, so I have maybe please stop. I know, I don't want to help. Please don't have my attention. You don't have my attention. Alright. So we have 3:30 to be free. Should I really do expert? Do I need mobile data? There's no way I can really do expert installation here. What else do we need? What do we really need for this? Diopsis iOS, right? I feel like the desktop app will work good. And is it using metal? I'll figure it out later. Yeah. Okay. So I have a few access labs right here. And I look for what is it that I wanted? iOS. Right. So I need some sort of I need so sign. What am I looking at? Just give me the yeah, I know how it works too. And there's some and I don't know fully how it works, but I have an idea how it works. That's not what I want. We're getting started and iOS right there. It's cool. So building iOS requires device running macro with Xcode installed. Thank you. I don't need Xcode. They have Xcode. If I had Xcode. But I'm not going to waste my mobile data on this. I'm going to do that some other time. How about Android? SDK and DK, right? I think this I can do. But this is also pretty big. Probably not as big as Xcode, but pretty big. Let's see if the extra works though. I think it should be good. If this works, I'm going to probably do that in EXE and send it over to a friend who's staying on board. I'm just ready, not now. But I should probably bake in some songs into the maybe. Doesn't matter how much can it be. People are like used to having series like that. Hey, by the way, just want to show the place I'm at right now. It's pretty cool. Okay. I'm just going to quickly airdrop this over to my map. This is where I'm at right now. Close up. All right, I'm going to wait for this to compile. It probably stops. Okay, how long do I have? My flight leaves at 3:45. I have 1 or 2 hours. I don't know when the boarding starts. It hasn't even landed in Bangalore. That's fine. 30 degrees. Destination temperature is 30 degrees. Are you kidding me? Oh, good. It's a 321 Neo. I guess. Next. All right. So I have this. Let me just do one thing. I'm going to open target. Target? What happened here? Oh, it's here. Okay. DX app release Mac OS. Okay. This guy. I'm going to first of all rename it to utago. I'm going to move it to applications. All right. Let's see utago. Okay, this is our app. This is in dining mode right now. I don't know how to make it floating. How did I miss it? What is my shortcut for making it floating? I don't really know that. Okay, we'll make it a little bit. So, phone style, sure, whatever. I can put the chatbot work. I see this works, dude. If this works, right? Next thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and I'm really gonna break some outside of local. Dude, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me, dude? Are you kidding me? This is pretty cool. Alright. So what I'm gonna do next is open system monitor. No, I'm not settings. I never want to open settings. Activity monitor. Okay. And that thing is in floating mode for some reason. I'm gonna close this guy. Okay. So my utago, let me see utago. Collab is even using something. Lyrics for I want it that way. For some reason, that's the hardest question for this simple module. All right, app. Is it using GPU? It is using GPU. Dude, it is using GPU. Dude. That's why it's so fast. Okay. Okay, cool. This is pretty good. Now what I'm gonna do next is probably going to okay, do I have anything in this? No. Okay. Okay, this is pretty interesting. So if I have like a SQLite database, okay, let's look at the code first. I don't wanna like, commit anything that I don't own. So I'm mostly aware of this part. Audio has something. It's happening crap. It's all placeholder. Doesn't matter. I'll come back to that later. Sure. Show me the main app link. This is our front end, all right? The first thing we have here is why the components outside SRC. That's just stupid. What the hell? Huh. Are you kidding me? Why did we have components directory outside SRC? The hell? Who did it, by the way? No, don't do weird stuff. Component is just normal, great within the app. Great, normal. You can type of the book and feel AI do it. Package within this crate. Also rename it and the app to utago and have an icon. I can't even look at it right now. It needs to add the components back. Okay. Somebody sent me something on Twitter. Look at that right now. Okay, that was funny. All right, what is going on? What is going on? What is going on? There's some crap. I'm pretty sure the app is not on time right now. They've done some weird path-based dependency thing, dude. Pretty sure DXO will not work right now. Yeah, I know it. The component module is fine. It's added back. I just accept why we should do that. But there's some guy doing some weird thing. And this happens in public places, so. Alright, we are around 18 minutes in, and we already have like an app that works. And it works as in it just has a bot. That's it. Which is a model that's not really good, but it does exist. Alright, this looks more like a website. I'll ask you to change the UI as well. We'll figure that out. Okay, I think let's do something. Let's not wait for the model. Let's fix the front end. I'm gonna go back to my let's do Whisper. I don't know if this is the right time to do Whisper. Wait, does Carlos some even have Whisper? He does? It's literally great. Okay, wait, first of all, Carlos and Rust use Gemma model. Yeah. Do I need the GUF downloaded? Okay. One option is just do that. Okay, so if metal is available, I want to use a bigger model, but then just including the GUF makes my app like 3 GB bigger. Yeah, Hugging Face. What does that do? That's pretty okay. Cool. So what I'm gonna do is in the chatbot, I'm gonna do if metal available, chat. This audio creators. Audio is full. Let's change the mascot there. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Okay, so we have chat. In chat, what I want to do is the 5.3, right? Yeah. Here, what I want is I want this. Okay, wait. If metal available, use this Hugging Face source or 5.3. Update this. Update this. Update this. Here. All right. So how do you do the metal thing? Sure. OS macOS. Fine. How do you even do that? How do you get target OS? Colorism has an OS thing. No. Oh no, you have something in CFG itself. All right. That is fine. I mean, let's see. I'm gonna try this out. All right. So this is commented. All right. So I'm gonna get llama source. I'm gonna get file source. All right. So with this, theoretically, oh, what's happening there? Could not find. Did you forget to include which one? Dude? Yeah, very bad. We did it rename that to utago? No. They have utago here. Is common and not on a new line. There's a lot of empty apps here. That's okay. Okay. What I'm gonna do is, sorry, I may have lost the changes there. All right. This is still app. Okay. Is it still called app? No, that's right. Why is it create? Create can still be app, right? Yeah. All right. So I'm back to my inference strategy. Okay. You have the app. Let's see. There's no way this works. There's no way this loads. Are you kidding me? Is it loading like the Gemma model from Hugging Face right now? All right. It's probably going to be big though. So it's going to buy unlimited data. Yeah, we can do that in India, by the way. So it's going to do that quickly and costs like less than half a dollar. Unlimited data for 24 hours, buddy. Cool. So I'm going to go to mobile recharges and select my own contact, recharge, data packs, 49 unlimited. For those of you American folks who can't believe, that's what have purchased it and I paid for it already. That's India, by the way. Cool. So I have unlimited data now. Okay, this many bytes is how many GB? I think this is 2.4 GB. Sorry, GB. Enjoy limited data for 1 day. Perfect. Yeah, that's 2.4 GB. Should be good. I just don't know what speed I'm getting right now. I'm worried about one thing though. When I preload it, like during compile, it makes the app bigger. I don't know that. Can I change the code to use by if while that model is not ready? Okay, how long again? 27. What happened to our compiler? Desktop worked, right? So that's good. Okay, I think we can look at the front end code now. This guy can take some time. Let me move this guy to. I did that stupid exposure thing, and that's a crime on him against humanity, and I know that. Sorry about that. Mhm. All right. Now go back here and look at the code for the app. Cool. So first of all, we have our stupid prompt that is needed. We have a main artist. We have a favicon, tailway, and some stuff. Oh, by the way, do we have a logo? Do we have a logo? It's still here, right? App doesn't have such. Wait, no, that's probably something else. I know there's this one. That was this one. Sorry. All right, cool. So I have this app. We saw this last time. We have the router. Under the router, I have okay, where's the router? The router is a router router like that. And I have some streaming hook. Okay, and I don't know what that does. This use after use effect use hook. These are like Reacty concepts. I don't know them really well, but I'm gonna look at it. So bottom line, what I know is that they implemented some traits for this thing called router procs, which is a callback and router config. Router config is not that great. I really don't know what that does. Okay, what do we have in our router? We have outlet. Outlet. All right, so we have a component where we have a outlet, which has outlet context, which has so this UI is pretty complicated. But the thing is, since it's Rust, I can still kind of make sense of it. I don't know why we have such a big doc string here. Like I can make sense of it, and I will probably do try to do that. But was I waiting for something? Yeah, I was waiting for this model to come. Where is this model this time? I think it's like the body chunks that are different. I don't think I can do this, dude. The fact that a model can, an extra app can actually do this is good. Okay, I'm gonna ask you to do something. Improve the chatbot UI. Uh, enter should work. Um, the model, um, if Mac, start Gemma download on launch. Show progress. If that's going to be show progress itself is going to be such a complex piece of code. But all right, let's see. Then show progress under events based or under notifications. Just a number, okay? Just a percentage. So downloading Gemma 5% done. Use by while that's happening. Have the state in chat RS. Also, uh, Fine, that's good enough. Okay, do you want to also wire up Whisper or you want to figure out Whisper? Do this. Let's figure out Whisper. So, oh, I have time. Yeah, I'll do right. If my flight landed. Yeah, my flight is landing like now in 2 minutes, 30 minutes early. Happens only in India. So yeah, I should probably go to the gate at some time. All right, we can do that. That's fine. We can still finish the code exchange and try to figure out the axis. This guy is called Colossian. Carlosson. Whisper. All right, so oh, by the way, what is this? They do have llama built-ins instead of pi. Okay, so I could have done that. Whisper is also. Are you telling me that's all you need to do to do a live translation? Dude, I'm gonna try this in a different crate. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Really? This is crazy, dude. Cargo Neo, I don't know. Speak. PD speak. Cargo add. Cargo some hyphen audio, I think. Yeah. Not audio. What is it called? Sound. Cargo and metal also. Metal. Cargo add Tokyo. What is it? Organization. What is Polster then? Cargo add Tokyo. Full. Asafi Megadares. I'm gonna do Tokyo man. I'm not gonna do what is Polster by the way? I don't even know what is Polster. What is that? Unix E1000, big with Unix E1009. Is it the same as Tokyo? Alright. It's an executor to block a thread synchronously. Alright. Cargo add Polster. No way, dude. Just no way. Just no way. And I know it's the PPP just works. I know that, and that's what this wraps around. But how can you make an experience like that simple, dude? And that's like migrate stream and then just transcribe. That can be very magical sometimes. Let's see, this also have audio as well, sort of. I'm gonna have to go to the gate now and just gonna issue this credit card. Actually, please check my flight number. 520. So I should go. I'll go add anyhow. What? Near Tokyo? No, no, no. There's a reactor running, it says. If you want just to improve the chat UI. Hi, welcome. Nope, I don't know what it did, but it did not do that. I don't see the notification time. I will do that. Interesting. Let me just please compile this. All right. And it's getting whisper already. Dude, are you kidding me? This library is fucking amazing, dude. I'm gonna contribute to this. You can already think of improvements here. Payload model, this, that. I can definitely think of stuff. Like, what are you compiling here? Okay, I think the enter work. Nope, nope, nope. Enter does not work. And it's still trying to get Gemma, so. Oh, wait, no. Practice out. It has done that change. And is it still getting Gemma? I don't know. HF.co, maybe. Maybe. What I do? I'm just gonna. This speed is very slow. So I'm gonna stop this.